guys, I am back and I am finally here to show you this DIY video that I promised you quite a long time ago. But here we are going to talk about how we made our barn doors for our master bedroom. These are the doors that go to our master closet and our master bathroom. I'll show you some before and after pictures, but the doors, the way that they opened into the bathroom and into the closet, it was just very, took up a lot of space, obviously. And it was just the plain, boring doors. And I had dreamt of this idea for years and I absolutely love it. And we saved so much money. I want to say each door cost us about $70. I will break it all down on the blog with pricing and everything, but let me show you how we did these. I'm going to start with the bathroom door. The other one is exactly the same, except let me show you one thing. After we got the bathroom door up, we realized that there was this little gap, which made it uncomfortable as far as privacy goes. Also, please forgive us. We have only painted a partial bit of this room. So there's like a little bit, let me show you, a little bit painted here because of the bathroom, but we haven't actually done the bedroom yet. So please forgive me for that. Everything in that $70, I'm including the wood, the rail kit, the door handles, the little things at the bottom, the track thingy. So anyway, what we did on this side was add, and as you can see, I mean, it gives complete privacy because you can't. So that's just a 1x3 that Art had the brilliant idea to add that on after we had built the door, because I was like, I feel like people can peek in at me because see, that is what you could see from this angle. If you were peeking in, it just felt very uncomfortable and awkward. And so anyway, he added that piece on for me and it feels so much more private and everything. And let me show you. So on this side, I did add this little lock, which I got 2 of these for like $9.99. The other one's on our back patio. But see, you can see no light is getting in right here. So we do actually have complete privacy. And then this is what it looks like from back, because we use these little, I just lost the word for it, but you know what I'm talking about. Okay, this came in a 4-pack for like, I think it was like $1.98 or something like that. That is how they turned out. So the doors that we were looking at that were comparable to these at the time ranged anywhere from $350 to $400 and up. That the $350 to $400 was for the very cheapest doors that I could find. So we have been extremely pleased with these. And then after we did these doors, we felt brave enough to do our laundry room door, which I have shown in a previous video before. I'll link that below just in case you haven't seen that. But we will be going into detail. I'm looking down that way, so I'll go ahead and take you guys down there. We will be going into a further detailed video to show you exactly how we made that. Here is our laundry room door. So there you go. I still have not painted that door. I know that's terrible, but it's garden season. I've been spending all of my extra time in the garden right now. Painting will probably happen this winter when we can't really get outside and do much. So to recap how we assembled these doors, this is the tongue and groove flooring that we used. These are the old doors that we had taken down. We sanded those and repurposed them and turned them into the boys' bedroom doors. And then we took their old doors and sold those and used that money to put toward our project. This is when we were first gluing the tongue and groove planks together. Just used wood glue and clamps to hold those together overnight. I had bought the 12-foot length and then cut it in half after I attached everything so that we had 6-foot sections. And then we used 1x6 for the header and footer for each door. I glued those on and clamped them as well. And then we used 1x3s to frame it all out. And then as I showed earlier, we did also secure it with those L brackets just to make it a little more secure. We did learn a few things that we would suggest doing differently in your project, so be sure to check out the blog where I detail all of that. That is it. I am off to work. I hope you all enjoy your day, and remember to go the second mile for someone in your life and with your resources.